distance when you are outside.
On the first day of a new term and the first day of school after 9 months at home, pupils at Ayani Primary School in Nairobi are welcomed into the new normal. Face masks, hand washing, and a reminder to keep a distance from each other.
Cover your mouth and your nose.
In other schools, new protocols have been put in place.
The measures that we are going to put in place is that when they go for recess, they go in groups, per classes, but not the whole school, to avoid crowding.
In total, at least 15 million children are expected to resume learning across the East African nation. But in most of the schools we visited, little or nothing at all has been done to ensure the full safety of the learners. There are no additional facilities. Classrooms are crowded and children are still huddling close to each other during the lessons.
This is the largest primary school in the country, with 4,700 kids, and therefore they require a little bit of special attention. The second point is that it is within the slums, so we are going to give it a little bit more support in terms of ensuring that the children are being taught.
The challenge that we are foreseeing is the social distancing, especially in the classes, because like this room, I think the most it can accommodate if there is social distancing should be around 20, but this is a class of almost 60 children. So we actually don't know if the social distancing is supposed to be followed, what happens with the extra 40 children. It is going to be hard, it's going to be very difficult. Also, I think we don't have enough wash points because the school has quite a large population, and the wash points that are already available, actually they are not enough.
Social distance, I'm concerned.
Most public schools witnessed long queues of parents and their children seeking admission. Demand is high, places few.
The school she was in, it's closed. They said the pandemic, corona affected them, so the school is closed because it was a private school. They told us we cannot access inside because they have enough kids.
With the academic calendar having kicked off, some parents are willing to take chances and put their children in the same congested classrooms.
If it's to risk, we will risk.
For now, it's all systems go, despite the risks. Sarah Kimani, SABC News in Nairobi, Kenya.